Dear student, today's topic is retail analytics. So, what do you mean by retail analytics? How retail analytics work? Example of retail analytics, benefits of retail analytics, and how analytics help retail stores increase sales. Retail today is being shaped by the empowered customer who demands convenience, customization, collaboration, and consistency. I repeat, retail today is being shaped by the empowered customer who demands convenience, customization, collaboration, and consistency. To deliver this demand to the customer, retailers employ retail analytics. That is why retailers employ retail analytics, which offers insight into how well marketing is working, what customers actually do when they enter a store, and whether there is an end result to their visit, such as sale. So retail analytics is the process of using analytical tools to provide analysis of business trends, patterns, performance in the retail industry. So retail business analytics allow you to leverage data-driven insight from your business and your customers to improve the customer experience, increase your sales, and optimize operation. For decades, the retail industry has followed the same upfront formula for growth: open new stores by replicating a proven store format in a new catchment areas. Retailers could reliably enlarge their customer base and count on healthy increases in sales. But lot has changed in the recent time. The reason is increased mobility and smart devices. Shoppers today can easily research competitive offerings even while they are standing in a store, means retail store. As such, they are less likely to remain loyal to a brand and more likely to be swayed by factors like price, availability, and opinions on their social networks. So in many categories, e-commerce has dramatically taken a chunk of business from the traditional retail stores. Today, retail analytics works very well for the retail stores. They are giving the number of benefits to the retail store. The reason is retail analytics offer insights into factors such as traffic counting and retail conversion rates that provide tangible proof of a store's success or failure. So when we are talking about retail analytics, is a process that focuses on providing analytical and actionable insight related to sales, supply chain management, customer demands, inventories, and other critical aspects of retail. which are very important for organization to make profitable business, profitable marketing and procurement decision. Retail analytics is the process of using analytical tools to provide analysis of business trends, patterns and performance in the retail industry. Nowadays, what are the most commonly deployed analytical solutions available in retail? That are number of like people counting, hot zone and dwell time, customer behavior, gap analysis. Before the recent advancement in retail analytics, marketers' ability to track the performance of media and promotions in driving in store traffic, sales and brand recognition were largely limited to analyzing sales and traffic trends. There are number of ways that analytics can bring powerful insight to a retail organization, like people counting. First, people counting. So people counting analytics are essential to a retailer as they give information about the number of visitors to a store at any given time or during some time period. So from this data, a retailer is able to extract and understand information about how many people entered the store and how many left without buying. This is very important to remember. When combined with sales data, retailers can then calculate the store conversion rate. So what I am talking about here is what are the most commonly deployed analytical solutions in retail. When we are talking about a people counting, so people counting analytics are essential to our retailers. Now why they are essential? Because they give information about the number of visitors to a store at any given time or during some time period. So from this data, retailer extract and understand information about how many people entered the store and how many left without buying. So when combined with sales data, retailers can then calculate the store conversion rate. Then hot zone and dwell time. Knowing where people go and stay within a store is also of extreme importance to a retailer. This is known as hot zone and dwell time. Knowing where people go and stay within a store is also of extreme importance to a retailer. That is why we called it hot zone and dwell time. So this trajectory analysis can enable store managers to optimize store layout for better product placement. The data can be used to evaluate or enhance the effectiveness of sale or advertising display. Then customer behavior. Customer behavior analysis is less statistical in nature. We all know customer behavior is a less statistical in nature, but it can provide finer grained information about how customers interact with products and advertisements in a store. The information leads to a better understanding of the customer's buying decision. So when we're talking about a customer behavior, it is a less statistical in nature, that we know, but it can provide information about how customers interact with products and advertisement in store. So information leads to a better understanding of the customer buying decision. Then gauge analysis. Now this analysis is vital to understanding customer behavior. It is very important to know this analysis to understanding customer behavior in terms of attention, feeling and desire. When a person in the field of view of a static camera inside a digital point of sale screen, for instance, gauge can give information about the focus point of that person. From here, retailers can learn about what is attractive about the advertisement and how long it was looked at. This can also be applied in store shelves. Consumer attention estimation can help retailers define the optimal position of products in shelves and collect statistics about the most interesting products and several other applications. So when we are talking about this analysis is important to understanding customer behavior in terms of attention, feeling and desire. When a person in the field of view of a static camera inside a digital point of sale screen, for instance, a gauge can give information about the focus point of that person. Another commonly deployed analytical solutions in retail is demographics. So understanding the demographic makeup of shoppers at stores across a chain or at particular location assist in determining the success of campaign designed to engage target segment. So what do you mean by this? This means that advertising messages displayed through digital signage placed at POS, that is point of sale, for instance, can be tailored to a specific target audience, which increases engagement because of the relevancy of the message. That is how the most commonly deployed analytical solutions in retail. So when we are talking about a retail analytics, what are the benefits of retail analytics? So retail analytics can deliver actionable intelligence to positively inform every aspect of your retail business. Every aspect of your retail business, from sales and marketing to supply chain, inventory and customer behavior. Customer behavior. So what are the benefits of retail analytics? There are a number of successful retail organizations leverage insight about their customers, products and operations derived from retail analytics tool to make better decision around marketing, sales and operation. With retail analytics, you gain a single source of truth about your customers, their buying preferences and their online and offline engagement with your brand. Retail analytics is especially important for e-commerce retailers who want to increase brand awareness and enhance digital advertising results. So the benefits of retail analytics are improve and optimize in store operation. It means retail analytics deliver practical insight to help you improve all areas of an store operation. With analytics, you can identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improving and standardizing process that enhance the buyer experiences, as well as anticipate demand and optimize stock, inventory, staffing levels, etc. Now the question is how we improve and optimize in store operation. So this analytics, retail analytics, help you in a different ways. Later on we discuss about the ways. So benefits of retail analytics is improve and optimize in store operations, enhance customer experience, anticipate demand and other important trends, insight on customer journey and behavior. So customer journey and behavior. As your customer interact with your brand across channel, retail analytics can help you to understand their behavior all along their buying journey. This insight can help you to build a stronger relationship by informing the types of offers and experience you provide to your customer. That's how you build a good journey of a customer. Enhance customer experience. When you leverage the power of retail analytics, you can more easily get insight about customer tastes and preferences. That information will help you enhance their experience with your brand in store and online, serving to attract and retain a more loyal customer. With the help of anticipate demand and other important trends. So anticipate demands, retail analytical tools provide the insight you need to understand customer buying behavior, so you can forecast and plan for future demand. This data can then inform how to price and promote products or services to generate more revenue. How analytics help retail stores for increased sales? First, go to the customer analytics. One of the major challenges focused by the retail industry today is customer retention. Analytics can help retailers connect with customers at every stage of the life cycle by turning the transactional pattern into useful insight. By performing these techniques like customer segmentation, clustering and forecasting, retailers can identify their profitable customer base, predict their behavior and do targeted promotions to increase customer shares of wallet methods like cross-sale, up-sale analytics, market basket analysis, real-time sales analytics, so on can be deployed. These techniques help in predicting consumer behavior. seasonal demand patterns, sales trend, market sentiments. Then retail marketing analytics. Analytics also play a crucial role in developing robust loyalty program for efficient market campaign management. It starts with designing the campaign calendar over a sales cycle period, may be followed by executing and establishing the right consumer for each campaign. An interactive dashboard representing various matrices can be used for quick and easy review. To measure, evaluate the performance of the loyalty program, analytical solution such as customer lifetime value optimization and geo-targeting can be used for designing reward programs. So the benefit of using such a structured approach. The next is retail operations analytics. High operating cost is a huge concern for retail industry nowadays. High operating cost. How we minimize this cost? So analytics can help improve the operational margin by finding different ways to cut down processor inefficiency as well as cost. Now the data driven insights can create value for retail across the entire supply chain, from sourcing and purchasing to in-store availability management. Retailers can use data driven models to tailor assortments at store level to anticipate these changes in customer traffic pattern and to determine optimal distribution routes. Inventory levels and allocation simultaneously work. Way forward, gaining competitive advantage. A highly advanced and futuristic application for analytics in retail is measuring the impact on online channel by assessing the in-store experience. These techniques of web analytics with the use of devices such as sensors, Wi-Fi, GPS, geofencing for reading and facial expression. Now see how the retails are changed with use of facial expressions, with the use of sensors. This is very powerful tool for across channel retail businesses. So in the period of when the intense competition and overwhelming change, retailers are constantly looking out for way to improve profitability, and analytics with its statistical model and scientific techniques act as a stable all-round pattern for gaining the required competitive edge. Now come to some examples of retail analytics. So what are the different retail analytics examples are? Retail analytics tools can support your efforts to improve operational performance and customer experiences. So one by one we cover 4 different examples of retail analytics. First is leveraging data to optimize the customer experience. Data to optimize the customer experience. So streamlining your data gathering and analysis process can help measure user engagement and refine the customer experience. For example, a company known for its fresh take on the makeup industry wanted to better interact and connect with its customer. So a retail analytics solution helped them to better interact and connect with their customer. Next, streaming relationship between data and people. Relationship between data and people. So leading online shopping destination for style, you need to be able to understand and appropriately reach to customer behavior as it happened. Retail analytics solution help build streamlined relationship between data, employees and customer to improve customer experience and operational performance. Another include in this list of example, retailers need an easily shareable and accessible single source of truth to make decisions that impact the health of their business. Retail analytics platform offers a 360-degree view of customers' needs and data to strategize more customer considerable products, marketing and customer service. It also include delivering self-service real-time access to data. So a retail analytics platform provides self-service and real-time access to shopper data and seamlessly maps internal and external data for employees, delivering a clear view of analytics. This is what the different examples of analytics. So in brief, what we understand today, what is retail analytics? So simple, retail analytics is the process of using analytical tools to provide analysis of business trends, patterns and performance in the retail industry. Or you can say is the process that focus on providing analytical and actionable insight related to sales, supply chain management, customer demands, inventories and other critical aspects of retail, which are helpful for organization to make profitable marketing and procurement decision. This is what retail analytics is. Most commonly deployed analytical solutions available in retail, that is people counting, hot zone and dwell time, customer behavior, age analysis, benefits of retail analytics. So what are the benefits of retail analytics? It includes insight on customer journey and behavior, enhance customer experience, anticipate demand, improve and optimize in store operation. How analytics help retail store to increase sales? With the help of customer analytics, retail marketing analytics and retail operation analytics, and way forward gaining competitive edge. So this is what we covered today, the topic called retail analytics. Thank you.